Welcome back everybody. I'm super glad that you are here back on our channel Countryside Dream, because today we are going to continue in a construction of our beautiful house. Especially we are going to prepare a base mortar layer on the top row of the brick, because it will be like a preparation phase before we will install the timber frame ceiling. So guys, let's go. As you saw last time, I finished this preparation of the sides for the future portal and windows, and today I'm going to repeat one step which I already did once, and it's the base mortar layer which I already did for my walls, like here. And today I'm going to prepare it on the top of the house all around. Why? Because of next week we received a huge pile of logs and we are going to install the wooden ceiling, and I need to prepare the surface for a next bricklaying on the top. It needs to be again leveled and everything prepared. The first step, we have to identify the highest point all around the house from which we will start. For this I'm using the rotation laser which is there and trying to identify the stuff. So it's going quite well. As you can see, we started here. We already have a lot of progress here and preparing another mortar for this piece. One super important information is it's not any kind of the mortar, it's specific kind for thermal insulation purposes, to really prevent that this thick layer will work like a thermal bridge from outside to inside. So it's not that easy, just okay, I will use whatever, so be careful guys. Almost at the end, guys. Only this piece is missing and we are done. Maybe you're asking why we are doing just this thickness and not all thickness of the wall, and it's because this device has really like a little feed here and I'm not able to put it in the air. So anyhow, when it will dry, then I will manually really add this material here. But it will be like, I don't know, in a few days. So, my beloved subscribers, last time you saw how we did like a second base mortar for the bricks for the next level of the building. And today I would love to show you a few details which we did, but for which I have no footage, just to inform you. So here we go. First one, this huge steel lintel. As you can see, now it's coated in a base color, so everything is protected against rust and everything. This is the first topic. And second and more important one is the mortar layer by itself. As you saw last time, we did just this thickness of the mortar, just because of we did not have the steel forms to do it in the full 50 centimeter thickness. So last time we are really just manually adding the mortar and level it with the original which we did with a laser. So now we have like a full 50 centimeters of the mortar. It's thermal insulation of mortar, so it's not like just, you know, something basic, because we really do not want to have like a thermal bridge from outside to inside. And yeah, so now we are ready more or less to put the beams on the top. But before we will do that, today I have to do some preparations. And one of those preparations is that I have to install the bricks, the corner bricks, yeah, because those corner bricks have to be leveled, everything have to be measured, angles and everything, and also those corner bricks will set us the level where the first beam have to be laid, and then we have like measurements from one to each other. Yeah, so today I'm going to prepare the corners. This is the first point. For every single corner I need 3 full bricks, so together 12 of them, and then this half thickness bricks, also the one for each corner, so 4 pieces of the half brick and 12 the full ones. So the time to start working. So you have a cornice, and right now I'm going to also fully construct this first row of this specific wall, because then when we apply the timber right here next to it, it will be a big obstacle to do it in this way. So plan for today, finish the first row on this side of the house, and then maybe measure the places for the timbers. A lot of stuff to do. So guys, yeah, that's it from today's video. The mortar base layer is finished, some corners are also installed, and one row of the bricks as a first row of second floor. And yeah, we are prepared right now to install the timber frame ceiling. So stay tuned, because yeah, next week we are here already with the first video how we built our timber frame traditional construction. So guys, see ya.